Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Digital Marketing News. We have a lot of news from Instagram, shopping, Amazon, YouTube and more. Live stream shopping has taken over e-commerce in China. It combines the established models of QVC with influencer marketing. According to an Internet Trends report, live broadcasts have now become the #1 source of revenue per hour in China. This trend is projected to a value of $15.9 billion for 2020. With this development of Facebook Live, the US seem to be adapting their own version. Live stream shopping will allow users to see products authentically, as it's live with no editing in place. Some companies in China are basing their whole business model on this selling method. Selling platforms do take a commission of sales, and it can be hard to stand out. In China alone, there are over 300 million live stream viewers. China's main live stream selling platforms state that they have a 50% conversion rate, with their top seller pocketing approximately $4 million per year. This trend hasn't reached the UK yet, but it will be a big sales method come Christmas 2021. Instagram is pushing to integrate more shopping features into their app. Shopping tools are being rolled out for IGTV and Reels. Instagram TV shopping is currently rolled out worldwide, while Reels shopping will go into testing very soon. Their update is designed to help brands and influencers further monetize their presence on the app. Instagram shopping allows users to add product tags to their images and videos so that users can click to complete the purchase. Adding this feature to Reels will help Instagram to compete with TikTok, who have recently been testing shopping tools on their platform. Amazon has been listening to feedback from advertisers around their sponsored display ads. Due to this, they are now announcing customization options for these ads. When creating these, you'll be able to add custom headlines and brand logos. This will allow brands to convey their brand message and make ads more engaging. Once your ad is approved in the review process, it will go live. Google is now including YouTube in its Google Ads attribution reports. They are also making their data-driven attribution model available to more advertisers. Under Tools and Attribution, enabled advertisers will be able to opt into reporting YouTube clicks and video comments in the number of attribution reports. Cross-network attribution for YouTube and search is still in open beta. Conversion List is now in beta to measure conversations, actions from YouTube ads. This is adding their reporting to Search Lift and to Brand Lift. This can be used on one campaign to measure awareness, to interest and to conversion. Bringing YouTube into attribution reporting will allow advertisers to see how different campaign types complement each other. From October the 24th, the API will break enabled content on WordPress from Facebook and Instagram. This update is being removed for unauthenticated embeds. This update will work retroactively, so this means if you've embedded content from Facebook or Instagram, it's likely to break on this date. Facebook is only offering one solution to meet the new requirements. This involves creating a Facebook developer account, registering an app, adding the embed product to the app, and an access token, and the app being in live mode. This isn't a solution for everyone, however. There are more realistic solutions in the form of WordPress plugins. You should be able to use OEmbed Plus or Smash Balloon plugins to bring back support for your embedded content. We hope this week's video was informative, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.